Yeah, it's nice in here. He's got the Lonesome Dove going. They got 2 beds in here. One up here. You got the little kitchen area. You got a bed back here in the AC. And they got it all decorated really nice. Yeah. It's a really nice camper in here. Oh yeah, look at this light fixture. That's pretty cool. So, yes.
Notice how it pops up. It's a really big teardrop.
Oh yeah.
Some standing room in it. That is too cool.
That's what I noticed coming up the...
Yeah, we did notice that. It's got the pop-up
You got a ton of room in there. Look at it.
roof there. Oh wow.
Wow, looks like they've
Oh.
redone their kitchen, huh?
Yeah, it does. Oh. So yeah, so they got the kitchen inside with the stove and the oven. And yes, it is very...
Toaster oven with the coffee pot. That's in
Yeah. Ooh, and then it pops up. See, it pops up here. And that's how you get more headroom.
2010 home built on a pop-up frame.
Oh, okay.
For larger beds and sits 2.
All right, here we are again. So what kind of camper is this one? Oh,
Right here.
oh, he says a Woody.
Woody.
It's called a Woody.
Oh, a Cardinal. Oh, 1957 Cardinal. Never heard of it. Oh, wow. Oh, yes, look at this. All wood inside here. Oh, yeah.
We have dogs, we just don't bring them.
Did you do all the work yourself?
What's that?
Did you do all the work inside yourself?
And no, I had it done.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But go into the air. I can hold her. You.
Hey, that's not even us.
Wow.
Let me put it in there. So I tell folks it will sleep high, but you gotta really like it.
You gotta really like it. But that's a nice comfy bed, and then you got room still in
We
there.
have a hammock up top. So my youngest sleeps up top.
Okay.
And then here, and if need be, we can put more here, but
I like the name Sweet Tea. That's cool. That is just beautiful little camper.
started as a very worn down.
Yep.
And we took it all the way to the frame. So it's a one of one.
One of one. How long?
Yeah, so here's our little pass-through.
That's awesome. I like the map.
Thing.
All that looks so good. That was Sweet Tea. That's something pretty unique. They've had it 13 years.
We just got it in October. We've done a lot, but we bought this one with the hard part done. Looked up on it, and it's the 56. And the back has got what they call the whale tail. This is rare. This is the last year of the whale tail, and this is the smallest one they made that year, next to the smallest that they've ever made.
Wow.
Airstream.
It's about 17 footer. 16.
But now see, that's from a trailer's always measured from the ball to the bumper.
Yep.
And so, like, you know, so it's a 12-foot ball.
Okay.
Here. And
way.
And so we kept her as original as possible because this one could end up, we're going to keep it, but it could end up.
Well, that's just exactly it. It's because once the original's gone,
Yeah.
it's gone forever.
I never had a trailer that was not drilled. In Louisiana, it's going to be a big old hasp of it because the drunk deer hunter lost the key.
Yes.
And it's going to be that. And then and a big CB antenna drilled.
CB
Not
antenna?
these people, but the best great. So this lady that she had found it, and she did quilting for a living, and she had a Shasta that my friend in Arkansas had redone. And then she found this on family property. Turned out it belonged to her cousin, and it had been sitting in an Oklahoma cornfield for 45 years, and there's no hail damage. Now you think that's the holy grail right there. I told him, I said, it had to be under a shed. This is Oklahoma. This is Wyandotte, Oklahoma. That's right in the back. And then I saw pictures finally of where it was in a junkyard, like an old junk, near the cornfield. Never was on the shed.
I'll be dang.
And like this right here, this should have been all pitted up. But
Yeah. Jeez, how cool.
And this
Every once in a while.
Yeah.
Every once in a
That's
while.
right.
That's not often.
This is because you know you don't even hope to find it. This is a barn find, and you know, and it travels well, and we enjoy. We still got the other one that's exact same size. That's the one that's known as the Bordello that Shelley did.
Yeah.
But it's a 1960 Pacer, very rare. In fact, same model.
Wow.
And very
Got a nice canopy.
Yep. It's just a rail.
Do we have a rail for the old one?
Mm-hmm.
Well, so we have 63 with and our 61.
Those are some nice
Where that come
steps.
from. I think that was somebody's pool.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, but
That sure is
it
nice.
still works.
I know, right?
Oh, wow, look at that.
Oh, wow.
That floor.
Anyway, some of our favorite tricks on
Yep.
this were doing it in the light color, doing the floor on a diagonal, believe it or not, made it feel and look so much larger.
We got
putting the bed way up so that I
bed.
could put a whole week's worth of stuff under here.
Yeah, they got lots of storage. We got a couch.
On the tongue helped keep space, and it was a really good spot.
Oh,
Safe place.
lots of storage in here. Yeah.
We raised the couch to which is always
What is this?
really
Whoa.
well. I'm just enjoyed it so
Whoa.
much.
Look at that.
Sure.
Hi, good to visit. So this is my trailer from China that I had designed there and shipped over. It's the only one like it in the United States.
No way. Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah.
When did you get it?
So I came to the rally last year. I got it in, I get the first week of December of 24.
24.
Yeah, so it should be a 25 model.
25 model.
Yeah. And
All fiberglass shell, it looks like.
yes, all fiberglass. They were kind of, it's like the Europeans. I like the vintage look to it.
Yeah.
I like the fiberglass, and I wasn't finding anything in my price range, you know, because like I said, I wanted vintage, and I couldn't do that. I don't have the wherewithal for fixing it. I didn't have that kind of money.
Yeah.
So with this, it was a lot like Happier Camper, where they do that modular system, and you know how expensive Happier Camper is.
Oh, yeah.
And then I saw yesterday that they're out of production temporarily. Yeah. Well, they're too dang high.
Yes, they are.
So with this one, it came with that flooring just in case I changed my mind. So we pulled that out because it just pulled right out.
Okay.
And that flooring had to be 600 or 700 pounds by itself. So took it out, and this was 3,100 pounds with it in it.
Okay. Now you're getting to a really reasonable weight.
Oh yeah, so very, very light. Pull that out. I put all my stuff in. And then even when I pulled that out, it still had, the floor's dirty, but it had this that almost like the teak, but it's rubberized.
Nice.
So I put my Oriental rug down.
Yeah.
I had my handyman. Another thing is the custom stuff that I did is my husband is 6'4". We've seen him walking around. I had electrical move from up top to down. So they took 6 inches of space kind of all the way around. I had them cut the back legs and then bolt it back. So I regained my floor space underneath there, and I could still have everything I wanted. This I had ordered, I didn't even realize I ordered, but it was a little marble top counter. And I said, well, this fits pretty good. I used those little plastic bins, like the 3-drawer, I've got 2 of those.
Yeah.
All my kitchen stuff in there.
Yep.
Mini fridge, microwave, my fan. I had them do extra outlets. Yeah, extra additional outlets in here. I had a larger inverter, double batteries. Like I said, electrical. What else? The baby moon. This was custom.
Okay.
Because I had seen these in like the little vintage magazines on trailers. So I said, I want this. And so they figured out how to build it and put it on there.
That's really
And
nice.
it comes off, it goes under my bed, you know, when I'm traveling.
Got all that nice shelf there.
Yeah, I can just do my cutesy little stuff. I love it. I raised a platform bed. Now, my husband's traveling with me, which he normally does not, because he's normally not a camper. So it's got all his bedding. He refuses to scrunch up those 4 inches to sleep with me. So he's got one that rolls out, gets all of his room. But it's quite a bit of space.
Oh,
so
a lot
from
of
here to there,
storage space.
So normally anything that I can put in there with my little small plastic bins. I keep it very organized when it's just me, and everything's in there.
Yeah.
You know. But
And it stays organized once you shoot and you put it back.
yes. Oh, absolutely.
I got to get the. Let me get the dog.
So what kind of camper is it?
This is a 1973 Play-Pac. Oh, go on in. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Turn some lights on.
It is pretty cool in here.
Yeah. The 1973 Play-Pac. They only made like 75 of them.
Okay.
And then wasn't able to stay in business and went, and we saw it, and it was pretty much gutted out.
Oh, wow. It was
They was
gutted,
using
yeah.
that for a deer lease.
Okay, yeah.
And the door was missing. They just had an old wood door.
And so you...
Steve had a fabricated door for it.
Yes.
And we got lucky once we found out what it was. Got on the internet. We found a schematic about how the layout was.
Yes.
It was built to pull with the Volkswagen.
You could pull it with a Volkswagen. Wow. That's pretty cool.
Then we found this True magazine on eBay, and it had the original ad form. Oh, wow. That was 73, yeah.
Wow, that's pretty
So
cool.
we put it. So we did got a little mini bath, a little wet
Oh,
bath.
okay. Oh, even a wet bath. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take my rug and put it out here.
I just don't even...
We found it in the field. It was shot up from target
A
practice.
Scotty just like ours, but except for 13 foot.
The way that I'll get their attention.
It's got 2 beds, little kitchen. Yes,
We know you can get, but this one was
it
from
is very nice.
guys that went to that stone. And I said, yes.
I love the painting on the outside.
And it's smooth and it's a real house.
Now, did you paint the outside yourself?
They get on this. What's that?
Did you paint the outside yourself?
Oh yeah, our friend that she does murals. We love jellyfish.
Oh, okay.
Some jellyfish on the
If they
side.
want to
Yeah.
use a cobblestone,
She does murals on
because they want to make it look like a castle.
Right.
And they understand what era it's from, a little bit. They think castle. They don't realize that's what was our roads a long time ago. You know. Anyway, so they have to earn points, and you have enough points, then they're paid so they can have more stuff. So.
See, there's the big old jellyfish.
Yes, here we are.
Come on in, everybody.
Hello.
Look at you with the camera.
Yes.
Sweet.
This is a Shasta. What year is it?
62.
A 62 Shasta. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I can turn on lights to make it even better video.
Oh, no, you're good.
Okay.
I'm not good at this. My husband does this.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
Dutch oven time.
Is that what time it
Dutch
is?
oven cooking right now. 10:30.
Oh, look.
And that's
it's
in
got-
5 minutes.
Oh, it's a nice little Shasta here.
Glass. Doesn't say.
I like it.
What do you like about it specifically?
Is this the gaucho bed? Like a gaucho bed?
Correct. That's one. There are two.
Oh, I see, yeah. I like how it has the separate kind of little tables.
I like that a lot.
Yeah, you got 2 tables instead of 1. And you got the magazine rack. We got a magazine rack in ours.
And they have a little thing. Did you notice these things up here on the wall? Up here?
Oh, okay.
There's a bar, 2 bars that go across here and makes a cot
Oh, a cot, yes.
for little children.
Okay, a
to
cot
sleep
for
in up
little
here.
children. Yeah.
So,
you can
that's pretty
put the- yeah.
interesting.
And the lights, are these lights original?
Oh yeah, these are original.
And they work. Oh,
1962.
and they work.
And here's the original up here.
Oh,
It works. See, they little.
yeah.
How about that? And then, okay, well, we'll turn all the lights on. That's pretty cool.
Huh. And does this one have a potty room?
It does.
Oh.
And let me show you the feature on the door. See that?
What?
Isn't that
So
cool?
it folds in, the door folds in.
Yeah, and then you
Oh.
have your little,
Oh yeah, your little.
with a little vent there.
Yeah, okay.
See, and a little shelving unit right there.
Yeah, this is a nice little Shasta.
All
Thank
this
you.
is like not normal in today's modern,
Right.
you know.